I got the Studebaker sorted out. I had a little problem starting it, and put the ignition system wiring apart and cleaned up all the connections on it. In the process, I found out it's got a Crane Cams XRI ignition module to replace the breaker points. And I tested the coil out. It's good. Cleaned up the connections and everything is running good again. So I'm just making this short video to send to a couple of fellas who have been inquiring about the car. I told them I wouldn't have it available until I had the starting problem sorted out. So it's sorted out now. So if someone wants to buy it the way it is, I guess I'll let it go.